everyone, welcome to Yopedia and this is Shikha. So friends, if you are also preparing for the group discussions for the campus placement, PSUs or any other organization, Yopedia is here to mentor you out for every kind of group discussion, and this is the largest and the most authentic platform in India which is making you prepare not only for the group discussion but also for the interviews of every organization as well. Right, in this particular video we are going to discuss about a very important and current group discussion topic, as we are regularly publishing a video on the most current GTs. Right, we have already made a series, you can watch it out, the previous one also. And let's get started with today's GT topic. So today the GT topic is the global race to net zero. Right, now there are a lot of things basically that this time India is transforming to renewable energy, and we have set some target by 2030 to make India like that, and we are also in a race to net zero. Now what do you understand by net zero? अगर कॉमन मैन से पूछें तो उसको शायद ये चीज ना पता हो, ठीक है. सो इसलिए whenever we are basically introducing such kind of topic, we need to make it very clear, ठीक है. So global race to net zero, basically net zero refers to a state in which the greenhouse gases going into the atmosphere are balanced by removal out of the atmosphere, ठीक है. It's basically related to renewable energies. It is related to greenhouse gases, which is balancing the environment, ठीक है. So basically this time lot of countries, even the world is in the race of to net zero, and this is the most current topic from environment domain of GT. Okay, now it is basically natural solutions like reforestation हम कर सकते हैं and restoring ecosystem. Technological solutions like carbon capture storage and direct air capture we can do in the net zero. ठीक है. Now what is the need to achieve net zero? First of all, ठीक है, कि हमें क्यों जरूरत पड़ी इसकी? Why we are running in that rat race? You can say it out. ठीक है. So first of all is limiting global warming. Yes, of course. It is just to primarily goal is to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius and preferably to 1.5 degrees Celsius. ठीक है. Then it comes to, this is a target set by the Paris Agreement to avoid most catastrophic impact, of course. Then it comes to preventing extreme weather events. Climate change काफी ज़्यादा like changing mode पे है, and there are extreme weather events such as heat waves, droughts, floods and wildfires. ठीक है. Recent examples आपने देखे होंगे, सुने होंगे in America and California like that, तो वो आपको जरूर पता होने चाहिए. Right, then it comes to protecting ecosystem and biodiversity. Yes, it is very important. Rising temperatures can also impacting in changing weather patterns, which is disturbing ecosystem. So yes, net zero is very crucial for preserving the natural world and its vital services. Safeguarding human health, of course. जो climate change है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इसके implications हैं, impact कर रहा है, तो हीट रिलेटेड इलनेस, रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम्स भी इंक्रीज हो रही हैं, इस वजह से भी वी नीड टू बी गो फॉर दैट. देन इट कम्स टू इंश्योरिंग इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इकोनॉमिक कॉस्ट जो है क्लाइमेट चेंज की सब्सटैंशियल है, डैमेज, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डिस्ट्रप्शन, बहुत सारी चीज़ों को इन्वॉल्व करता है, एंड येस जो कि इंश्योरेंस कॉस्ट को भी इंक्रीज करता है, दैट्स वाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन इट कम्स टू प्रोटेक्टिंग फ्यूचर जनरेशंस. येस, जो आज हम डिसीजन लेंगे रिलेटेड टू नेट जीरो एंड रिलेटेड टू दिस सस्टेनेबिलिटी इन एनवायरमेंट, इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प अस आउट टू द कमिंग जनरेशन एज वेल. ठीक है. सो दैट्स वाई इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन इट कम्स टू अवॉइडिंग इरिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. देर आर सर्टेन टिपिंग पॉइंट्स जहाँ पे जो क्लाइमेट सिस्टम है वो एक बार जब पास हो जाता है, इट कुड नॉट बी इरिवर्सिबल एंड कैटास्ट्रॉफिक चेंजेस. ठीक है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वी नीड टू बी take out some measures related to that. Then it comes to हम कैसे, how we are in the race of global net zero. ठीक है. So that is something you can say it out. Solar and wind power expansion, we have already expanded it, but still जो solar photovoltaic PV है and जो wind turbine है, that we are installation is very crucial. Technologies काफी significant impact करेंगी for the cost reduction and making them increasingly competitive. Right. Then it comes to diversification of renewable energy sources. ठीक है, जैसे कि जियोथर्मल, हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक एंड टाइडल पावर में we can expand. देन इट कम्स टू एनहांसिंग एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी, ठीक है, बिल्डिंग एफिशिएंसी, एनहांसिंग एनर्जी, ठीक है, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपोनेंट. देन इट कम्स टू सी बिल्डिंग में आ जाता है, हमें बिल्डिंग कोड्स को इम्प्रूव करना होगा, इंस्टॉलेशन पे रिड्यूस एनर्जी कंजप्शन फॉर हीटिंग एंड कूलिंग, ठीक है. देन इट कम्स टू इंडस्ट्रियल एफिशिएंसी, मॉडर्नाइज इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेसेस we need to be go with to reduce energy waste, right. After that it comes to transportation efficiency. अगर हम जैसे कि ई व्हीकल्स आर ऑल्सो इन द रेस, and if we are doing for that जो e-vehicles हैं, that is also enhancing the transportation efficiency, developing more efficient public transportation systems, and that is that is also in the race only, but yes अभी काफी improvement it can be done, ठीक है. Then it comes to decarbonizing industry, carbon capture and storage, ये एक technological system है that is developing and deploying technologies to capture carbon dioxide emissions from industrial facilities and power plants, ठीक है. ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन, हम वी कैन इन्वेस्ट इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन जो कि प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सोर्सेज, एंड वी कैन रिप्लेस फॉसिल फ्यूल्स इन हेवी इंडस्ट्रीज लाइक स्टील एंड सीमेंट. सस्टेनेबल मटेरियल, yes, developing and using sustainable materials with lower carbon footprint can also be in the race of like the I can say it out in the net zero, right. Then it comes to sustainable land use and forestry. See, whenever we are going for that kind of any environmental changes, we need to be acquire a lot of land, ठीक है. So that is also disruption in the ecosystem of human habitat. उसके लिए reforestation, afforestation हम कर सकते हैं, planting trees to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Sustainable agriculture practices we can do, adopting agriculture practices that reduce greenhouse gas emissions and carbon sequestration को soil में enhance करे, वो हम कर सकते हैं. Protection of existing forest, ठीक है. Then it comes to policy and international cooperation. Yes, it's very important. Carbon pricing, implementing carbon taxes or emissions trading system to incentivize emission reduction, right. International agreements, एक Paris agreement है of course to coordinate global efforts, and investment in research and development, R&D, it's very important. हमें private investment में into the development of new clean energy technologies we can do. अब ये जो सबसे लास्ट वाला जो कंक्लूजन पार्ट है, दैट इज समथिंग यू कैन कोट इट आउट फ्रॉम द करंट, ठीक है. आप करंट से कोई भी एग्जांपल कोट कर सकते हो कि अभी इंडिया ने या वर्ल्ड ने बेसिकली एज पर क्या टारगेट सेट किया है इन द रेस ऑफ नेट जीरो, ठीक है. बिकॉज दिस इज थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. जो इमर्जिंग इकोनॉमीज हैं लेड बाय ब्राजील एंड इंडिया, ठीक है, वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हैं टू ड्राइव 70% ऑफ द ग्लोबल डिमांड ओवर द नेक्स्ट 5 years एज बायोफ्यूल्स start to show their true potential, ठीक है. And जब basically the report shows that this is not the happening quickly enough with a significant increase required in demand by 2030 needed to align biofuels with the net zero pathway, ठीक है. ये करंट न्यूज है कि करंट एग्जाम्पल है, एंड ऐसी बात नहीं है, आप इसको डिस्कशन के बीच में भी कोट कर सकते हो, बट गुड पार्ट इज ऑल्सो कि व्हेन यू आर कंक्लूडिंग दिस along with your consensus and the important pointers, you can include this current example that is going to help you out, ठीक है. So there are a lot of things to be quote on this particular topic as it's a hot topic, and बहुत सारे like pointers as in skeleton I have framed this GD. A documentation you can download it from Yourpedia panel, and for more practice you can join us live session, or I can say regular sessions of group discussion with Yourpedia mentors. So good luck, all the very best, and we will covering most current GD topic every day. You can be you can be here on this channel, and you can be with Yourpedia to practice more. Good luck.